pretending to be the pincer bug. The best feature of my new animal body is the stinger, because it can poison. However, I would like to change my feature because I would like to have hands. One thing I can now do is what I couldn't do well before is have hands. I live on the continent of Africa. My main habitat is in the desert. The food I like that we animals eat is the kangaroo rat, but I don't like eating the people. My biggest fear is one of these, buffalo. The thing I enjoy mostly being a member of this special is my spite. The main thing that make our kind special is the poison. The reason why I want to go back to being human is because I miss good food.